also have something that I'm hoping that you'll be able to help me out with.
Something that I can help you with?
Yes.
What is this?
It's
a chemical, of course.
Oh, yes, it says milk of magnesia.
All right, milk of magnesia.
The elves and I have been working on a new demonstration experiment.
Yes.
And we'd like to see if we can't do it here.
You'd like to try it here?
Try it here.
Well, will you come with me? I have a place where you can work.
Yeah, I'd be happy to.
What do you need?
I need some water.
We have water.
A container for it.
We have water in a container already.
Oh, excellent.
Okay, what else?
That's a nice container.
It is
Do you have
nice.
any vinegar?
I have vinegar right here.
Oh, excellent.
What else would you like?
Oh, you got this all set up for me. That's great. I'm turning on that magnetic stirring bar.
Okay.
And we also have a light on this one, don't we?
Yes.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah.
I like that. Your laboratory has great equipment in it.
We have great equipment, but great people in it, too.
Yes. Milk of magnesia is really what? Magnesium hydroxide. And it doesn't dissolve in water.
That's why you're shaking it?
That's why I'm shaking it into the form of a...
It's a suspension, actually.
Right.
Yeah.
And we'll just take a little dose here.
Yeah.
Don't need very much.
Yeah.
And the reason why it's called milk of magnesia,
yeah,
when we add it to some water, what does it look like to you?
Milk. That's why it's called milk of magnesia,
there you
right?
go.
Right?
It's a white solid that's suspended in the water.
It's not very soluble, is it?
No.
Yeah.
And you can't see through it.
No.
But it's supposed to, according to the bottle,
yes,
it's an antacid. That means it works on the tummy acids.
If you have too much acid in your stomach, yes.
And if you eat a lot,
yes,
of course, then your stomach excretes acid.
Yes.
And this will help neutralize it.
I see.
So if this is antacid, it must be a base.
All right.
And you have provided me with a universal indicator. That's a whole mixture.
We have lots of things in my lab, Santa. Yeah.
And let's pour a universal indicator in there.
Yes.
And if it's on the basic side, it turns purple.
It is kind of bluish purple, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's basic.
So magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia is basic.
Is basic to neutralize the tummy acid.
All right.
If you were to have some, say, some French fries,
yeah,
your stomach then, to digest it,
yeah,
would secrete some acid.
Yes.
So let's pretend the amount of acid,
yeah,
is like what we get from vinegar here. Let's pour a little bit of acid and see what happens.
I see a color change all over.
Wow. And it turns what color?
Oh, it's kind of reddish, pink. No, well, it's yellow. I see colors of the rainbow here.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
When it's on the acid side, it's kind of red.
On the acid side,
and
it's
as
red.
it starts to become more basic, it goes to orange.
Uh-huh.
And then it becomes yellow.
I see that.
And then what color?
I see green now.
It goes to green.
Yeah.
And then blue.
Wow.
And then violet.
Santa, you and the elves do fun experiments. Where did you learn about these experiments?
Well, one of the experiments we've learned a lot from scifun.com.
Scifun.org is my website.
Oh, yours is, that's right, yours is org. Okay.
SCIFUN.org.
.org.
Yeah. But I like this experiment. Can we put this experiment on my website?
Oh, would you please?
Yeah.
Give credit to the elves.
Of course. Credit to Santa and the elves.
How about if you went and supersized that?
Ooh.
We put a lot in there.
Ooh.
You'll notice you can't see through it yet, can you?
No.
So there's still some of this MOM in there.
There is
milk
in
of
there.
magnesia.
Yes.
And as it goes and dissolves, more and more ions get out, and it neutralizes the acid, unless we put too much acid in. Now, we started out with just, about that much, huh?
Yeah, not very much, yeah.
And we've already used this much.
Yeah, used more acid, yeah.
And it's still got solid in it, doesn't it?
Still there, yeah.
I wonder if we couldn't add just a little bit more to see what happens.
Well, it's right already.
But what I would like to do is to use up all of the milk of magnesia.
It's still in there because I see it's cloudy. It's not clear.
That's why things don't act in your stomach instantly. It takes a little while for it to work. So if you let that spin down for a while, I'll bet you it'll turn clear and red. But you know, the sleigh is parked out front.
Oh, Santa.
And I don't want another parking ticket.
No parking tickets. No. Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, Santa. Thank you very much, Santa. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Santa.